Hello everyone. Today we are going to make dhar. Dhar that's not spicy, good enough for a kid. This is what I made for my 5-year-old tonight. You will need about 2 cups of dhar soaked. Let it soak up for about 30 to 40 minutes or so at least. That way the cooking time is less. So the first step is to heat up the Instant Pot and add in the oil. Oil is about 2 teaspoons. Next we're going to add in the cumin seeds. Let them sizzle and pop. Next, add in a few curry leaves. Let them sizzle in the oil for a few seconds. Next, rinse the dhar and add it in. Next is about a teaspoon of salt, 4 garlic cloves chopped, teaspoon of turmeric powder, and about 2 cups of water. Mix it all together. Close it, and I usually cook it on the ultra setting for about 2 minutes. And if you need to, you can add a little bit of water on top when it's all done. And there you go. Dhar is done. And this is what I gave my little one for dinner.